What is a cartel and how does antitrust fight them? Have you ever wondered how some companies seem to work together to keep prices high and options low? This is often due to something called a cartel. A cartel is when a group of independent businesses in the same industry make a formal agreement to act together. They might fix prices, limit how much they produce, or divide up markets so they do not compete with each other. This collusion reduces competition and allows these companies to boost their profits at the expense of consumers. Unlike a monopoly, where one company controls everything, a cartel involves multiple companies working together to manipulate the market. This behavior can lead to higher prices and fewer choices for consumers, which is bad for the economy as a whole. From a liberal viewpoint, cartels are a serious issue because they concentrate power in the hands of a few. This concentration can exploit both consumers and workers. When companies collude, they can charge more for goods and services, leading to economic inequality. Ordinary people end up paying more while cartel members rake in excessive profits. To combat this, we have antitrust laws. In the United States, laws like the Sherman Act and the Clayton Act specifically target cartel activities. These laws make practices like price fixing and market allocation illegal. They treat cartel behavior as a crime, which can lead to hefty fines and even prison time for those involved. Antitrust enforcement agencies, such as the Department of Justice's Antitrust Division, are responsible for investigating suspected cartel activities. They work hard to protect competition and consumers. This enforcement serves several important functions. It deters companies from colluding by imposing significant penalties. It also promotes fair competition, which helps keep prices reasonable and encourages innovation. By protecting consumers from inflated prices and limited choices, antitrust enforcement supports economic equality. It prevents the concentration of market power that can worsen wealth disparities. There are many examples of antitrust enforcement in action. Companies have been fined hundreds of millions of dollars for participating in international cartels that rigged prices or divided markets. These actions show a commitment to keeping markets competitive and accessible to everyone. In summary, a cartel is a group of businesses that collude to manipulate the market, harming consumers and economic fairness. Antitrust laws and enforcement are essential tools for dismantling cartels, promoting competition, and advancing social justice by addressing economic inequality caused by anti-competitive practices.